Welcome back. This is True Hero PC Brian. What? Okay, let's get here. Let's go here. There we are. Not come. Oh, what did come? I was in those still. Easy. Get fucked up, niggas. Let's go take a car. Okay, let's take. No, it disappeared. Damn it. Fuck. I got 8 grand. Doesn't count. Oh no. Oh, that was a good car. I mean, come on. Are you fucking kidding me? I mean, you are. But seriously, this is like a bad. This is really bad. I mean, come on. I don't like it. I want that car. It was awesome. Damn it. Shit. Ball. Sack. Give me your car, you asshole. Fucking car. Nigga. Oh wait, wanted level off. Wanted for level could be forever off. Wait. Saw something? Yes. There's this car. Thank you for giving me your car. See you. There's another car. Oh, that's awesome. That's much awesomer. Oh shit, sorry. Sorry, people. Oh my god. Sorry, the camera fell. I thought that was gonna happen, so no thinking of camera falling again, people. Please. I don't want to die in this video. It would have been so disaster if I could have done it later. This is the blue one. I like this. It has a carbon fiber hood. This is a rally car. Race car. Sultan RS. R nigga. Wait, Banshee. This car is nicer than Banshee. Let's get the Banshee later. While we are still driving this car. I don't want that other car. A street racer, yay! So you unlock different cars in the cities while you, like, you know, do missions and so other stuff that involve those cars. Yeah, that's kind of that thing. Let's calibrate the camera. See how it's. Is that good? No, it's not enough good for you. Nothing is enough good for you, people. My voice is kind of crazy. Already? Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, let's drive. Let's go free roaming after I save the game. So yeah, after I save the game, we'll go free roaming. Let's go to my house. Let's go to the club, drink, and let's not drink too much because I want to be drunk driving. I want to be drunk while not driving. I mean, come on, that would be awesome. That would be really awesome if I could, like, drunk drive. No, I know how drunk drive goes because when you hang out with Armando and Henrique in this game, you unlock that later. You can't unlock it in the first moment. When you do have it unlocked, you go to the bar, and there, every single one of you guys is drunk. I mean, that is really awesome. You're like, well, like, hey, what's up, nigga? They're like, oh, it's crazy. Something like that. Because I'm a street racer. Fuck that Haxo. Let's call the cops after me. That is looking much cooler than my No. So you unlock those cars. As you can see, there's a lot of them. This is the best one I have seen so far. I mean, it's much awesomer than the blue one, I think. What do you guys think? Tell me here. What do you think about this car? This car is the best I have seen so far. I mean, black ones were like, hey, what's up? No, wait, what? Black ones were like the normal ones. You can see it stretching by. It's unlocked. Wow, that's cool. But this one is kind of rare car already. I mean, if you could do this by cheat, I would always use this. But there is no cheat for this car, so fuck that. This is pretty common already, this car. So as I just saw there, that was pretty common. I mean, you could see 5 cars already on that same car, but this one is kind of rare. This color. You can see my current car is like that. This car is better, so fuck that current car. I mean, that's a different car. This one is unique. This one is Scafter. You know that Tony's car? That's completely black, but this kind of same way. People, you can steal that car if you like. You can't steal this car. This car is better than any other car in the game. Nah, actually not. But this car is kind of good already. Kind of best, in my opinion. But, yeah. Who gives a shit? Let's go try that other car. Tony's car. Let's go sleep. First we go sleep. It's just only 2 parts to this. If you don't make it to, get drunk, do all stuff, so yeah. That's my problem then. I don't want to do a lot of videos already because I'm getting tired. People are not watching my videos. Watch now and subscribe. So let's get this car. Let's go to that bar. Let's go to Scatter, my car. Fuck you. Okay, we're leaving. We are leaving. We are leaving to that bar. Boom and boom. Did that die? Did I kill a person? I'm sorry. I killed you. Fuck you. You don't get your hot dogs today. Go somewhere else. It's a limo. It would be awesome. Like, hey, limo. Driving a limo. Anyway, let's go get drunk. There's another drug course. I completed that. I can redo it. Oh, I like your face. I like your titties. I like your face. I like your titties. I like your face. I like your titties. Here is the Hercules bar. What? He broke my car. That asshole broke my car. In the morning, you can get to nightclubs. I mean, come on, what the fuck? That's my voice. Not really. Yay, the club's open. Let's get 5 drinks at a time. Can you get that? No. You can't, because you're not drunk enough. Hey, sir, I need you to be drunk. I don't like you. Let's be drunk. Oh, why can't I be more drunk? The cops? It is the cops. Cops suck ass. Cops? They are like piece of shits. I mean, come on. Why can't you get drunk in the morning? In the morning, midnight. Yeah, I'm woozy and I go die. And I die. I've played a lot. In 5 hours. That's not. Oh wait, less than 5 hours. That's kind of less. I don't know, maybe 4 or 3 hours I played. Or 5, I don't know. But I have played on GTA, I played Most Wanted also. I have that too. Okay, last one. Let's go real smoothly. And then we go outside, like, go be drunk. That would be awesome. Okay, so now I'm kind of drunk already. We're going outside. Sorry people, I'm going outside. In the night. What? It's on the night. Oh my god, I'm almost dead. Oh my god, I'm dead. Cut that shit out, you asshole. I'm kind of drunk. Oh my god, disappeared. Oh my god, disappeared. What do you do if drunk people get guns? You don't know what drunk people does when he gets guns. I'm zoom. You're like, it's normally walking away. Fuck you! It's a robbery! It's a robbery. It's a FBI call. Don't move! What? My god. Why is he punching me? Why are you punching me? You asshole. You get raped. Oh yeah, you're getting raped. I don't like you anymore. Oh yeah. I'm awesome. No. There we go. That's how you play GTA. But thank you guys for watching my awesome episode of GTA Grand Theft Auto playing. Now this guy gets killed and I get money. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye.